This is TWiT.
ASUS announced the ROG Bezel-free Kit. And Scott, I'm right with Scott. He says, so I would love to see this one in action. It's essentially some lenses or prisms that strap in the joints on a trio of monitors. And the idea is that you align the edge of each monitor with the edge of the next one by refracting the light that comes off of them, quote, such that the gaps are skipped. And because this is an optical process, no software is required. Specifies that the angles between the monitors has to be 130 degrees. No pricing, available sometime in the first half of this year. This is either going to look awesome or really goofy. I don't think there's any way in between those two possibilities. But if you've been,
surprisingly well.
So you saw it.
Yeah. Well, I saw it at the ASUS demo area. It works better than I thought it would work. The restriction of kind of like you have to use, so ASUS didn't say you have to use the ASUS monitors, but they said it has to be, thin bezel monitors, and they're going to make a version for 24-inch screens and 27-inch screens. So if your monitors, physical attributes don't match that of the ASUS displays, then it physically won't fit. Also, the requirement to be at 130 degrees is, it's a pain, but they have to do that. Otherwise, you can't get the lens to work correctly. They have to know what the angle is going to be. It's not perfect, and lines that kind of cross it will have kind of like a refractory difference, like kind of almost like looking through a straw on a glass of water type of thing, but much less visible, I guess, in that regard. I want to get some of these in here and like try them out for a little while and see how it is. It's also something you'll have to remove when you're not gaming, because you don't want to have, the text on your browser or Word document or Excel sheet suddenly stretched or moved or modified in any way. I think that might be problematic. So it was one of those surprise things that we saw that I had, I saw the news release for beforehand. I goes, well, this is not going to be good. And that picture is, it's clearly photoshopped and it's meant to look as good as possible, but it's not too bad off of what it really felt like. So we'll see what this looks like when we get it in our hands.
Another glowing tentative endorsement pending full review at PCPro.com.
Yeah.